morning, student. This is your science class of class 9. We have to take chapter number 6, tissue. In our previous class, we are discussing about tissue. You know that tissue is the group of cells which have same origin, function and structure. So such type of group of cells which have same origin, function and structure are known as tissue. Now tissue are classified into two groups. We have discussed plant tissues. Plant tissues classified into two groups: simple tissue and complex tissue. So simple permanent tissue and complex tissues. Example, we have discussed meristematic tissues. Meristematic tissues are found in the tip region of root or shoot. It is also known as growth tissues. Another type of tissue which we discussed are similar to the collenchyma, parenchyma, sclerenchyma. So such type of tissues are known as simple permanent tissues. Now we have discussed complex tissues. So when meristematic tissues, growth of meristematic tissues are stopped, then it becomes converted into the permanent tissues. And permanent tissues are of two types: simple permanent tissues and complex permanent tissues. In simple permanent tissues, we study about parenchyma, collenchyma, chlorenchyma, sclerenchyma, etc. Now, in this lecture, we are discussing about complex permanent tissues. So, what are complex permanent tissues? Complex permanent tissues are those tissues in which they are made up of different types of cells, but it performs the same function by the coordination. So it is the group of cells which are different but perform same type of function due to the coordination. So such type of tissue are the example of complex permanent tissue. Complex permanent tissues are of two types. First one is phloem and second one is xylem. So phloem and xylem are the example of complex permanent tissues. Now, function of phloem and xylem. Phloem are conducting tissues. They conduct food material from the leaves to the different body part of the plant. So phloem conduct food, and xylem is also the conducting tissues. It conducts minerals and water from the wood to the different part of the plant. So these two complex permanent tissues are the conducting tissue. Now, the structure of these tissues. First of all, xylem consists of following cells. First one is plates. Second one is vessels. vessels. Third one is xylem parenchyma. Parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber. Xylem fibers. So these connective tissue xylem are the conducting tissues which conduct water and minerals from roots to the different part of the plant. The xylem connective tissue are conducting tissue made up of following cells: tracheates, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. Now the structure of these tissues, first one is tracheates. This is the structure of tracheates. In which there are small wood-like structures are known as pits. So it contains pits, and this is the tracheates. Next one is vessels. These are the vessels. It also contains some pits. Now next one is xylem parenchyma. It is cylinder-like structure. The septa are present in these cells. These cells have a nucleus and cytoplasm. So these different cells have coordinate and perform similar function. So such type of cells which have different shapes but due to coordination they perform same or similar function. So such type of tissue is known as xylem and phloem, and these are the complex permanent tissues. In similar way, phloem is made up of 5 types of cell. So in similar manner, phloem, this one, are made up of 5 types of cells. First one is sheath cells. Second one is sheath tubes. Sheath tube. Third one is companion cell. Companion cells. Fourth one is phloem fiber. Phloem fibers. And last one, fifth one is phloem parenchyma. Phloem parenchyma. Here, these CQ are cylindrical-like structure and it conduct food throughout from leaves to all body parts of the plant. So phloem is the conducting tissue which conduct food from different body parts, and phloem tissues made up of 5 types of cells. First one is leaf cells, next one is leaf tubes, third one is companion cell, supporting cell, fourth one is phloem fibers, and last one is phloem parenchyma. So these are the example of complex permanent tissues in plant. So here the plant tissue complete. Now our next topic is the animal tissues. So our next topic about animal tissue. Let's see. So our next topic is animal tissue. In a similar manner, just like a plant, animal body structure is also made up of cells. So cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life as well as plant life or animal life. So animal tissues are made up of the group of cells which have same origin, function and structure. So such type of cells combine together to form tissues. In similar way, animal tissues are of following types. First one is epithelial tissue, like epidermal tissues. Epidermis, the outermost covering or lining of the plant's organelles, such as in animal, the tissue are known as epithelial tissue. So the first animal tissue is epithelial tissue. The epithelial tissue are made up of cells which build or makes the outer covering of the organelle. So it is the protecting layer. Epithelial tissues are the protecting layer of organelle or outermost covering of the organelle. So it is the covering or protecting tissue, epithelial tissue. It covers most of organ and cavities in our body. So these epithelial cells are tightly packed and form a continuous sheet. So let's see the epithelial cell. These epithelial cells are arranged in a compact manner and it provides the intercellular space of these cells are very less. So these cells are group of these cells protect our internal organ and it form the lining of many organelles and cavities. So such type of cells are known as epithelial cells and tissues made up by these cells are known as epithelial tissues. Different type of epithelial tissues are known. So, different type of epithelial tissues. Let's see with the help of diagrams. First one is squamous, the division of epithelial tissue. First one is squamous epithelial tissue. Next one is stratified. Stratified epithelial squamous. Third one is cuboidal, and last one is columnar. Or ciliated, columnar or ciliated. Now, first one is squamous epithelial tissue. These tissues found in our skin. Next one is these tissues columnar. This one is function is absorption. Its function is absorption and secretion. The next one is cuboidal epithelium, cuboidal structure. These are found in glands. So these are known as glandular epithelium. Cuboidal, columnar, and squamous. So let's see. Epithelial tissue is the first tissue of animals. Epithelial tissues found in the layering or covering membrane. It is found as a covering membrane of organelles to protect him, and these epithelial tissues are of following type. First one is squamous, second one is stratified. Squamous tissue, if this tissue has one layer or two layers, then it is known as squamous tissues. And stratified, it means that it has more than layers. So these type of tissues are known as stratified tissues. These tissues are arranged in our lining or outer body parts and skin, the covering membrane, skin. So skin is made up of squamous epithelial and stratified epithelial tissues. Next one is vital. These type of epithelial tissues found in our glands and structure are cubical in shape. So this cell has cubical structure and it is found on the glands which are found in the upper surface of body or lining of body, such as sebaceous gland or oil glands, which secrete the moisture or moist oil in our body. Next one is columnar. Columnar tissues are made up of columnar cell. The structure of these cells are columnar and these tissues take part in the process of absorption and secretion. So the function of the columnar epithelial tissues are absorption and secretion. They absorb material through the environment and secrete the unwanted substance throughout the body. So these are the first type of animal tissue, epithelial tissue. Following type, squamous, stratified, cuboidal and columnar. So first topic, epithelial tissue are over here. Now our next tissue is connective tissues. Connective tissues are those tissues which fill the vacant body part, and these are the connecting link between two organelles. So these type of tissues are the connective tissue which fill the vacant body part. So connective tissue are of following type. We have to discuss these tissues one by one. Okay. So our next tissue is connective tissues. Next animal tissue is connective tissue. Second one is connective tissue. Connective tissue, which are the connective of body parts between organelles. So first one is fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue. The example of blood connective tissue is blood. It contains the following cells: plasma, RBC, red blood cells, WBC, white blood cells, and platelets. So first one is blood, second one is bones, it's made up of calcium and phosphorus. So bones made up of calcium and phosphorus. And third type of connective tissue is ligament. It is the junction between bones to bones. Another type of connective tissue is tendon. Which connect bones to muscles. Next connective tissue is cartilage. Cartilage. And next one is areolar. Areolar connective tissue. Skin and muscles. So this is the second type of animal tissue, connective tissue. You know that connective tissue are lies between the two organelles and its function is connect the two body part. So these are known as connective tissues. Connective tissues are of foreign type. First one is areolar connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue found in between skin and muscles. So these areolar tissues found between skin and muscles. Second one is cartilage. Cartilage is the non-bone part of the such type of tissue are the example of cartilage such as pinna, ear pinna, and nose tip is made up of cartilage connective tissue. Next one is fluid connective tissue. Blood is the example of fluid connective tissue which conduct oxygen and different nutritive substance to our whole body. So blood is the most important connective tissue. It is made up of following cells: plasma, yellowish color part of blood, which have absence of RBCs. Second is RBCs, red blood corpuscles. It is carrying the oxygen throughout our body. WBCs, it protect our body from diseases. White blood corpuscles, and last one is platelets. So these four cells are made blood. Next one is bones. It is the third connective tissue. It is made up of calcium and phosphorus. So bones is the third connective tissue which made up of calcium and phosphorus. Next one is ligament. Ligament are the connective tissue which join bones to bones. So the junction between two bones are known as ligament. Tendon is the another type of connective tissue which join bone to muscles. So junction between bones and muscles is known as tendon. So these are the example of connective tissues, and our lecture animal tissue is over here. What topic is to be continued in our next lecture. So till then, thank you, goodbye, and take care of you.